you are the top chef at a 5-star restaurant. For years you have been serving delicious meals to all sorts of people. However, recently business has slowed down. People are getting bored with the same old dishes on the menu. Your manager wants you to come up with a new recipe to amaze the locals. You have a day to write up a unique recipe and give it to your manager. When writing down your recipe, you could think about the following information. Will it be a sweet dish, like a cupcake or a muffin? Maybe it will be a savory dish, like a new type of pizza. What ingredients will your new dish use? You could use normal ingredients, or even something really strange like flowers and gummy bears. How will you make the dish? Does it need to be baked in an oven? Or maybe it needs to be grilled on a barbecue? How long will it take to prepare? And how will it be served to your customers? Will it be served on a regular plate, or will it be cooked at the table? Using the information in this video, can you write up your very own recipe for the locals to try? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more cool videos. See you soon.